When I first got the job to do the 3D model of the Space Needle, I kind of freaked out because there's just so much detail and how am I going to get this? The way the needle was built in such a hurry, there really wasn't much reference left behind. My process in this case was mainly just photo reference and then getting back to my studio and it was almost like a detective thing, piecing it together, figuring out where the iron curved and what it really looked like in 3D. And with all those 3D programs that you can match with photography, I was able to build a pretty accurate 3D model of the needle. I really like the Cintiq because what it does is it removes barriers. The creative process, at its best, there's no barrier between what's in your mind and what's in the canvas or what's in the medium. The natural motion of moving a pen across the screen is just so nice, and sometimes I forget that I'm even using a computer. The Cintiq really gets me three things that I just use so much, and that's speed, accuracy, and nuance. And working on the Space Needle thing, there was so much little detail where I had just that nuance, just the slight change of pressure, which I don't know how else I could get it. And then accuracy, when I'm actually using the hand, not a mouse that I can't see, just my hand right in front of me, and I can be really accurate for how I draw. And then just speed, it's just right there, so it's really fast. Simple things like navigating, zooming, selecting, all that I've had to relearn. I had to let go of the mouse and pick up the pen, and after that learning curve, I feel like I'm way ahead. I'm faster and better for it. I learned a lot about how difficult it is to print these models. One took 830 hours just to print one model, and it was great to see my creations come alive. The final models now are in these 9-foot tall acrylic tubes at the Space Needle in the entranceway there, and they are going to be there for the next 20 years, and it's just so great to see them here. In the end, this turned out to be just a great project. I wasn't always sure that it was going to turn out, but it did, and I'm just so honored to be part of this, especially being from Seattle. It's just so great to do something for my city. I love this place.